So today we were working in the A413ST calendar, which is a custom 13 image calendar, which is wonderful for fundraising events or organizations, as well as portraying a story about your organization or company with 13 custom photos, one being the cover image, followed by 12 month images. All images are different. But this is a quick update to let you know that we are able now to create a QR code within our tool. Previously, if you wanted a QR code for your customers or your donors or whoever, employees, it could be a number of options that you have to scan to get in contact with you, then you can create that QR code within our tool. So I'm going to show you today how to do that. And you can see I've already created one, but we're going to create another one. So I'm going to click on January. I'm going to click on both so that I can view both top and the date pad. So this is where your image goes. This is the date pad that you can customize as well with the QR code or add it to it. I'm going to click on images. I'm going to add my image first. I'm just going to drag this over here. Then I'm going to resize it to fit within the guideline. There we go. And I'm going then to click on QR code, and I'm going to add. You're going to add a QR code. Now I have this as Animal Shelter 1. So I did that just in case you have two phone numbers maybe that you want them to have as an option to contact you. You have various methods of contact. As you see at the top, you click on whichever one that you prefer. We're going to do phone, but you have phone, email, text messaging, text, URL, which is normally it's a website, but it can be any URL that you've created to give people access to. It's your location, Wi-Fi, contact, or calendar. So I'm going to name this Animal Shelter 2. I'm going to use the same phone number that I had previously now. This is very important. Originally, I had tried to use the phone number with parentheses and a dash just as you would type it out maybe in an email or whatever. It would not accept that. So the only way to add a phone number is no dashes, no parentheses, only numbers, and that's it. Once you get that number in there, you're going to click submit. It's going to create your QR code. You can edit that QR code here by clicking the pencil icon. I don't want to make any changes, so I'm just going to close it. We still have the icon here. I'm going to drag this down. Well, there's two methods. Let me back up just a second. You can click the icon and then resize it and keep it on the image. Or you can drag it down to the date pad. And I'm going to resize this because obviously I don't want it to block out the entire date block. So I'm going to put it on the 17th. And that might be a different QR code that you put on the date pad for maybe an event that you're having within your organization. And you want them to have tickets or sign up or just a reminder or whatever you might need them to do. Also, I'm going to put one on each image that gives them an easy way to contact me or to donate. Maybe it's a website that makes it easy for them to donate money to your cause or gifts or whatever. So that is how you add the QR code. Now let me back up just a second. Well, we are saving design, which is automatically built into the system in our tool so that you do not lose that design. Okay, so let's say that you added the QR code just because you did for whatever reason. We have it. We're going to put it on here. We're going to size it. And it's like, oh yeah, well, I need to add the image for that month. So then we're going to go to images and we're going to add a photo. Boy, oh boy, let's see. We had photos earlier. I don't know where they went. That's okay. We're going to open. We're going to add that image. Once it loads completely, we'll see it pop up. There it is. We're going to drag this over here, and we're going to size it where we want it to be, all the way up to the edges, and now it covers our QR code. So we're going to click this image, and we are going to arrange, and we're going to send the bigger image behind that QR code. So we're going to click send to back. Again, it covers. We're going to click arrange. We're going to click send to back. So there it pops our QR code in front. So that is how you go about adding a QR code to our A413 ST so that your customers or your donors or whoever it may be can contact you at will.